Hi, this is Brianna with 21st Century Leader Video Journal 1, focusing on ISTE Standard Number 1, Visionary Leadership. Standard 1 states, administrators inspire and lead development and implementation of a shared vision for comprehensive integration of technology to promote excellence and support transformation throughout the organization. This standard has been broken up into 3 substandards, and I'm going to focus in detail on each substandard and how I plan on implementing them and addressing them in a future school. Substandard 1 states, inspire and facilitate among all stakeholders a shared vision of purposeful change that maximizes use of digital age resources to meet and exceed learning goals, support effective instructional practice, and maximize performance of district and school leaders. One way I plan to address this substandard is to meet with all stakeholders to understand their vision of technology use. Talking with the school district to see what their vision is, how they see integration of technology at each school site, and what their vision looks for how much technology is being used, what type of technology is being used, and what are the student outcomes with technology, as well as talking with teachers about what is needed in the classroom to incorporate technology. Is it infrastructure? Is it supplies? Is it training? What type of trainings or things do they need to be able to incorporate technology into their classroom, which is going to meet the needs of students and build learning goals and be able to meet and even exceed the learning goals for our students. I will also talk with the school community on technology outside of the classroom and how that can be aided by the school. What are ways our students are using technology outside of the school day? Where are they seeing it in their everyday lives? And how can we bring that in and help them in the classroom? And after meeting with all those stakeholders, building a vision that takes into consideration everything they've brought to the table and having them give their input on that vision before we have a final vision of technology in the school. Substandard 2 states, engage in an ongoing process to develop, implement, and communicate technology-infused strategic plans aligned with a shared vision. One way to do this is for myself to continue to be a learner. By consistently and continuously researching the use of technology in schools, I will be on the forefront of what our district and our school needs. Also, to revisit where the school is with their technology infrastructure, programs, policies, and professional development. Making necessary changes to policies and procedures when needed to continue to have the school on the forefront of technology practices, ensuring the needs of our students are met. Modeling the use of technology in a variety of ways to stakeholders, incorporating technology into staff meetings so teachers can see how to effectively use technology tools in their classroom, allowing them the opportunity to take the tools they've seen, implement them in their classroom to practice, and then use their creative sides to expand on the tool and use it in different and creative ways in the classroom with their students. Reaching out to our stakeholders through technology, posting flyers, reaching out with surveys, and just being able to interact with them through technology is another way to show them how we use technology in the classroom, how we are using technology in the school, and build that shared vision. Substandard 3 states advocate on local, state, and national level for policies, programs, and funding to support implementation of a technology-infused vision and strategic plan. I would advocate for the needs of our school using evidence and data, presenting successes using technology to stakeholders to help them understand the needs of the school and why we need to have adequate technology infrastructure and programs. Reaching out to the community to create partnerships to bridge that gap from the outside world to the classroom and making those technology connections. By using these different strategies, I hope to be able to successfully inspire and lead the development of a shared vision of technology at a school site.